Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's your trades over here, and today's Friday, by the way. So, guys, yeah, I just read my Bible and I read a very powerful passage from the Bible from Matthew chapter 21, from verse 21 to verse 22. He says, truly, let me read it. He says, truly, I tell you, if you have faith and do not doubt, not only can you do what was done to the fig tree, but also you can say to this mountain, go throw yourself into the sea, and it will be done. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. So I just want to say something little short to inspire you guys, like from that verse that I just read for you there. You see, like, if you remember, there's this thing that goes like, your tongue holds the power to your life or to your death. You understand? So if you have faith, confess with your own mouth, like speak things into your life, speak things into existence, and believe and have faith. Ask for whatever that you want in prayer and believe in God that He has already given that to you. With faith and no doubt, that will be given to you. Like Jesus said, guys, if you believe and you do not have doubt, you will receive whatever that you ask for in prayer, whatever that it is. So with that being said, guys, I hope you're well. You're all having a good day. I hope you're all having a good day so far as you're watching this video, and I hope you will have a good weekend this week. So yeah, now I'm going to look at the charts, analyze, and look at what the market has for us today, and then I'll show you afterwards. So now, so guys, it's currently 9:52, which is like 8 minutes to 10. So as you can see, I'm on Nas 100 charts. This is was previous day's high, and this is was previous day slow, and the Asian range high is here. As you can see, the Asian high and the Asian low here. As you can see, prices already went through that Asian low there, and from the previous day we saw like price was bearish. As you can see, price moved quite bearish from the previous day, right? So my daily bias is to a downside, right? So as you can see from these three candles here, 1 2 and 1 2 3, price left a gap there. You understand? I don't know if you can see clearly, but let me remove this thing. As you can see, price left this fair value gap here on the 4-hourly time frame. So my confluences are, I have a fair value gap, I have an Asian high, and then I have a big figure level here, or a psychological level here. As you can see, it's 20,900, and time of the day will be very important. If this, I don't know if this is going to play out now during London session or in the New York session, but I'm anticipating for price to pull back into this area here to come and fill this fair value gap, maybe manipulate around that area and grab that liquidity there, and then eject from there and continue pushing furthermore to the upside. But I'm not gonna open any positions today. I'm done for the week, but I'm gonna be here and gain experience from the market. Yeah, so yeah, on US30 they are more like the same, they are more likely the same setup. As you can see on US30 as well, we had that previous day's low high and previous day's low over here, and we have our Asian range there. And from the previous day we were bearish. As you can see, price pulled to the downside, showing strong momentum to the downside. And on the 4-hourly time frame as well, price left a fair value gap 1 2 3 1 2 3. As you can see there's a fair value gap there, and in that fair value gap we have an Asian high that has not been run yet. You know, above the Asian high there is liquidity, and we saw that we have a fair value gap for on the 4-hourly time frame, and we again have a psychological level or a big figure level over here. As you can see, we have 43,800 there. So what I will be anticipating is to see price pull into this area and then push furthermore to the upside. Same thing as this one. I'm not gonna take it on the demo account, you understand? So but let's see how price is going to play out. If anything doesn't happen, then I will let you know. If anything happens, I will let you know. And then after London session, we'll meet up again in New York session. So tango. So guys, I come back with a quick update on the chart. As you can see, it's currently 9 minutes to 12, meaning there won't be trade for the London session today, as price didn't pull back into that area that I was looking forward to short at on NAS 100, and the same thing as US30. But I think US30, we might see US30 pull back into this area around New York session. But for now, for London, no trades taken and no setup taken. So we'll meet up again around 4:30 in the afternoon during New York session. Dankoro. So guys, as you all can see, it's currently 4 o'clock, and at 4:30 it will be New York open. As you saw, they didn't have much action today from the London session, and price hasn't moved in aggressively so to the upside, but as you can see, you had this little pull to the upside. So what I'm anticipating, or what I want to see price do, I want to see price actually shoot to the upside and then reject from this area over here and pull back to the downside. As you can see there, that's the setup that I have on US30 as of now. But if it doesn't play out, then just gonna wait and see what is it that the price is going to do. And as you can see here from London session, we had this London session low. So I don't know if price is going to come, take the liquidity below side there. This thing likes to play around. Take that liquidity below side there and then hit up to the upside. But it's something that I think might happen or could happen, but I don't know. But the one that I'm trusting most is this one over here. And yeah, it's still the same setup as from the morning. And then as you can see on NAS 100, price held that pullback nyana, and then as you can see, shot up straight to the downside. I also don't know if price is going to take out this London low here. As you can see, it was around 10 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know if price is going to take this London low and then head up back to the upside, or is price coming to fill this fair value gap over here. You understand? As you can see, we have this fair value gap over here, but my main setup is this one from here, from above there. But I don't think prices will be able to push furthermore to that area over there. So what I think could happen again is maybe price to come and fill this fair value gap over here and then head back to the upside. But remember, I'm just gonna look at the charts and look what is it that the price action is going to do. I'm not gonna open any position since I took 3 losses this week. So yeah, so now just gonna wait and see how the New York session is going to play out. I will update you as soon as things start kicking in. Dango. So guys, I don't know if I specified from the previous video where like I was showing the setup for the New York session. We have this fair value gap, this 1, 2, 3. So I don't know if it's gonna hold up this price and push it furthermore to the downside. But this was not my ideally trade, but it's something that I have noticed that price could reject from this fair value gap and then push furthermore to the upside. It was already filled here, but then price can still react to it and push furthermore to the downside. But it's just an idea, or just want to see how strong is this area is gonna hold up as this fair value gap. So yeah, this is how price is still reacting. NAS 100 is still tanking to the downside, still pushing furthermore to the downside, and US30, as you can see, it's reacting from that fair value gap. This is the experience that I was talking about. Even if I don't open trades, but then I get to get the experience in the market. You understand? I can then understand for around 4:30, and you have a fair value gap at the just near the Asian low, and price is very far from my setup like that when they not 100% it's gonna happen this way, but it gives me an idea of what to expect in future times, you understand. So from now, just gonna wait and see what is it that the price is going to do. Just simply learn from the market. Down. So guys, for now we're going to see if we entered around this area over here. So you can see that the fair value gap around that area was holding up, how price would have turned out from 4:30 until 5:30. So gonna be monitoring this area, this position here, but I'm not in any position on my MetaTrader. This is only on trading view. So let's see how this is going to pay out. So guys, as you can see, the trade played out very nice. As you can see, price respected this fair value gap there. As you can see, it rejected there, and that's when I saw like there's like it's most likely for this area to hold up and push further more to the downside. As you can see, it's like it closed, it hit the TP with that 4 p.m. candle, and now it's at about almost about 1:3 there, but the trade was 1:2 trade. As you can see there, it would have been a very clean setup there. Nice one. Let's look at Nasdaq just keeps dropping to the downside, but yeah, US30, as you can see, played out very nice. It was a very nice setup there. So yeah guys, as you go, so that trade played out very nice in our direction, like how we anticipated it. As soon as we saw price was starting to reject from that fair value gap, and I don't know if you can hear me, it's raining outside, but I will try to be as loud as I can. But yeah, that was a nice trade, a nice way to end the week. And yeah, we'll meet up again tomorrow on the Trading Psychology Saturdays, and on Sunday on Jesus Sundays, and we'll meet again next week. Yeah, next week we'll continue trading that demo account and learning how to trade the system consistently, and following all the rules that we have to follow, and being consistent and being disciplined. I love you guys a lot. Cheers until we meet again, guys. Tango.